To add widgets on Webull desktop, start by opening the Webull application on your computer. Once the application is open, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to access the widget library. The widget library contains a wide range of widgets that can be customized to suit your trading needs, including real-time market data, news feeds, and technical analysis tools. Browse through the available widgets and click on the one you want to add to your desktop. The widget will be added to your screen and can be resized and rearranged as needed. You can also customize the widget settings by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of the widget and selecting the settings option. To add multiple widgets to your desktop, simply repeat the process of clicking on the plus sign and selecting the desired widget from the library. You can arrange the widgets in a way that works best for you, such as grouping related widgets together or placing frequently used widgets in easy-to-access locations. In addition to adding individual widgets, Webull also allows you to create custom layouts that can be saved and reused. To create a custom layout, add the desired widgets to your desktop and arrange them as needed. Then, click on the layout icon at the top right corner of the screen and select the Save Layout option. You can then give your custom layout a name and save it for future use. Best practices for adding widgets on Webull desktop include starting with a simple layout and gradually adding more widgets as needed. It is also a good idea to prioritize the most important widgets and place them in prominent locations on your screen. By following these steps and tips, you can create a customized Webull desktop that meets your unique trading needs and helps you stay informed and up to date on market activity.